Smart TV have become one of the most common thing in a household. There are many varieties of smart TVs out there. One of them is Android TV. This means the operating system of that TV is Android. Since Android is made by Google, there are so many similarities between your Android smartphone and your Android TV. This also makes way for your smartphone to interact with your smart TV in a really unique way. This video is about that little tips and tricks that you can do with your smartphone and your Android TV. Number 1. How to control your YouTube with your smartphone. YouTube has become a synonym of watching video on the internet. With your touchscreen smartphone, it is easy to navigate to a video. But in your Android TV with limited buttons, it can become quite hefty task. I have seen many people navigating their way on their Android TV with those 4 buttons on the remote. Some people are smart and they use voice search, but what if I tell you that there is even better way to do this? And you don't even have to download any other third-party application whatsoever. All you have to do is to open your YouTube app in your smartphone, tap on the screencast option on the top right corner of your YouTube screen. If you see the name of your smart TV, you have to click on it and now the video will start playing on your smart TV. And that is not it. You can also navigate your video through your smartphone. You can also control the volume of your TV. You can add queues of videos. Although for a seamless experience, you have to be connected on the same Wi-Fi network, which means your smartphone and your smart TV should be connected with the same Wi-Fi. If that is not the case, there is also a second option which says link with TV code. Follow the instructions and now you will be able to connect to your TV. Number 2. How to use your Android phone as a remote control for your smart TV. For this, you need to have Google TV application installed in your smartphone. Similar to YouTube Screencast, just by clicking on the name of your smart TV on this application, it will give you a remote control. Now you have a virtual remote for all the basic functions of your smart TV. With this, you can navigate, control volume, and also do a voice search in your smart TV. To use this, you are required to be on the same network that your smart TV is in. The best thing about using your smartphone as a remote for your smart TV is the fact that you don't have to use the on-screen keyboard of your smart TV. You can simply click on the keyboard icon on your smartphone while connected to your smart TV, and now you can type using your smartphone. And this makes life so much easier. Number 3. FX File Explorer. The best thing about owning an Android TV is that you have the ability to install Android applications. But side loading these applications can be a really tedious work. This is when the FX File Explorer comes in handy. With the help of this, you can navigate your way to the file that you have downloaded or transferred from other device. You can also use external drives like pen drives to install an application or sideload any application on your smart TV. You can also run your external hard drive or your external SSD. Talking about transfer, there are many ways for you to transfer any file from your smartphone or any device to your smart TV. For this task, you can use an application named Send Files to TV. This application has a very simple UI. This application is needed to be installed on both your smart TV and your Android device. Simply click on Send button on your Android smartphone and then select the file and then click Receive on the smart TV. The speed of file transfer is really good. And now you can install modded application on your smart TV. Number 4. AirScreen. Now this application is specially for the iOS users. There is also an application called Miracast which by default should come with your smart TV, but that application has some problem with sharing the screen of an Apple device. To share the screen of your Apple device, you need to install AirScreen on your smart TV. Number 5. GeoSphere Browser. Unfortunately, there are not many browsers for your smart TV. Some of the famous names out there are the likes of Penguin browser. But still, I would like to mention another browser that is named GeoSphere browser for Android TV. The best thing about this browser is built-in VPN and ad blocker. Now you have to keep in mind that it does not work like paid applications, but for a free browser, it works pretty good. The navigation is also simple and easy. Number 6. Plex server. Nowadays there are so many OTT platforms out there. If you want to watch something, the first thing that you need to do is to find where that media is. For this, Plex comes in handy. You can simply search the name of the media that you want to watch, and now you will get the list of all the OTT platforms where that media resides. Number 7. Xiaomi TV Plus app. Nowadays there are many ways to watch free channel on your smartphone, but only a handful of applications to watch those free channels on your smart TV. To watch these channels, you simply have to download the Xiaomi TV Plus application in your smart TV. This application has a lot of channels to offer, and all of these are live channels. You simply have to navigate your way to the desired channel and start watching it. If you have watched this video so far, I would like to thank you and tell you about a secret live TV application. The name of this application is GrigFi. You simply have to follow the instruction and watch your favorite TV channel. Number 8. RetroArch. If you are like me and remember those golden days when we used to come back from our school and used to play the 8-bit video games, this application will bring back all the nostalgia. RetroArch app is an emulator. So to play games, you need to download the ROMs for those games. There are many websites on internet from where you can download ROM for free. You only have to connect your wireless controller to your smart TV and start playing your favorite retro game. Some bonus tips. Android TVs are like smartphones. So when you say the average life of a smartphone is roughly around 2 to 3 years, it is the same for Android TVs. This means after some time, your TV will start lagging and hanging. The navigating experience will become really bad. Also, the apps will start crashing every now and then. There are lots of applications out there that claims to clean the RAM and gives you free space and speeds your Android TV, but unfortunately most of them don't even work at all. But you don't have to worry, as you don't need to buy another smart TV just because your smart TV has become sluggish. You can buy a separate Android TV box. For this, Fire Stick TV by Amazon is a really great deal. I have used the Fire TV Stick myself and it was the first generation. If you have a 4K TV, I would highly recommend you to buy a 4K Max version of Fire TV Stick. That small device has a pretty decent chip inside it, and thus your TV will be rejuvenated. This device alone will make your TV last for further 3 to 4 years. Although the device is not so cheap, the fact that you don't need to buy a brand new TV just because your TV is slow is a really big thing. Gyroscope remote controller. If you have used expensive LG TVs, you know about the gyroscope remote they provide with their TVs. Adding a gyroscope in the remote makes navigation so much easier. You can find third-party cheap gyroscope remotes on Amazon these days. Those device works really good. They also have keyboard on the back side in some model, which is also handy. This becomes really helpful when you are browsing internet on your smart TV. Moving your remote in 3D space will move the pointer of the browser on your smart TV. Now, if you're like me and you like to watch media from some questionable sites, you know the ads can be really annoying. These pop-up ads are likely to be developed by devil themselves. To completely block those ads, you need to use some kind of DNS servers. Now you can either change your DNS manually or you can download an application called AdGuard. Although this application is a paid version, but it works flawlessly. There is also a 7-day trial period. Based on your use case, you can see if the application is built for you, and then you can decide if you want to purchase it or not. If you don't want to purchase it, there are also free public DNS servers. All you need to do is to copy the DNS address from the website and then copy it to your private DNS tab. I hope you get to learn something new from this video. If this video helped you in any way, please drop a like on this video, and if you want to watch more informative videos like this, please subscribe.